Letting go of rules. Rules promise safety, but they deliver self-distrust. So the more rules you follow in relation to your diet or your health, the less you're able to hear yourself and listen to your own body. Welcome to day 11 of the 30-day self-trust challenge, where we're taking one simple strategy each day to help us rebuild that self-trust with our body and learn how to listen to our body more effectively. Okay, so rules. I often hear clients say rules feel like guardrails or they feel like safety, which is true, but they make us not listen to ourselves. So, if somebody is on a program and they're following their macros or their calorie target, if they hit that target, even if they're hungry at bedtime, they'll deny themselves access to a snack because it's not within that rule or that guideline. That is what I want you to do today. The invitation is to question one food rule today. Okay. So it could be as simple, an example would be as noticing, I noticed a rule show up, just to have the awareness. Or it could be something like I chose to respond differently. So if you use that night snack example, if you're lying in bed and you're feeling hungry and your stomach's rumbling, chances are you might wake up in the night. 3 a.m. is a great time to wake up because your body's hungry. So if I choose to respond differently to that cue, because I'm listening to my body, then I might fuel myself with a little tiny snack to help me sleep through the night and to help me rebuild that self-trust. And if today felt hard, you can question a rule without breaking it yet. So you might just be having awareness. It doesn't mean that you have to go off your plan if that feels uncomfortable, but it's just starting to have that awareness and starting to question those outside rules and regulations. Come back tomorrow for day 12 on this 30 days self-trust challenge.